5 Best Electric Pressure Washer 2024. 1. PowRyte. The PowRyte electric pressure washer offers outstanding performance with 3,800 psi water pressure and 2.4 GPM water flow, featuring a durable NCR pump and a 3-year warranty. It includes a snow foam lance for direct foam spraying, for universal tips for various cleaning needs, and easy assembly within minutes. Additionally, it can suck water from a container if no water tap is available, with a garden hose connector size of 3/4 inch. Two. Sun Joe SPX3000. The Sun Joe SPX3000 electric high-pressure washer features a powerful 14.5 amp/1800 watt motor and a wobble plate piston pump, suitable for various cleaning tasks including cars, fences, and patios. It includes two 0.9 L onboard detergent tanks for different detergent types, a total stop system, TSS, for energy saving, and automatic pump shutdown when the trigger is disengaged. The rated flow is 1.24 gallons per minute. Three. DEWALT 2100 psi. The DEWALT electric pressure washer offers 2100 psi for a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks. It features a high-endurance frame suitable for stacking, simplified organization with dedicated storage compartments, and hassle-free mobility with a lightweight design, retractable handle, and wheels. It includes a soap bottle for detergent use, a durable 25 feet kink-resistant hose, and a power cord for cleaning surfaces up to 35 feet away. Four. Westinghouse WPX3200. The Westinghouse WPX3200 gas pressure washer offers 3,200 psi and 2.5 GPM for powerful cleaning of various surfaces like decks, sidewalks, cars, and patio furniture. It includes features such as an onboard soap tank, a 25-foot abrasion-resistant hose, a lightweight spray gun, and 5 quick-connect nozzles. The washer is powered by a heavy-duty gas engine with recoil start and a maintenance-free axial cam pump. It has a tough steel frame with 12-inch never-flat wheels for easy transportation. Craftsman 1700 PSI. The Craftsman electric pressure washer delivers powerful cleaning with 1700 max PSI and 1.2 GPM, powered by a 13-amp motor. It includes a soap applicator bottle for added cleaning benefits and features onboard storage for accessories like nozzles, hose, cord, and wand. The pressure washer boasts a 20 feet kink-resistant hose for long-lasting performance and a 35 feet power cord for extended reach from the outlet. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.